Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxy Sherm. I feel like I almost broke my neck. My Boxy Sherm unboxing. This is actually a very exciting Boxy Sherm today. I don't know how many of you guys know, but BoxyCharm, like the headquarters, the main office, the big kahuna, that is actually in Miami, not too far from where I live. And I actually helped pick out some of the products in this month's box. It was really, really exciting and really fun. They let me look through a bunch of products that they were thinking about putting in the box, and I got to like pick and choose a few of the things. It was really fun. They even asked me to be in their like January campaign for the Instagram and stuff, and it was really cool. I got to pick products that I thought you guys would really, really like in the box, which is really exciting. I mean, it's nothing special. It's not like a collab or anything like that, but I don't know, it was a really fun little experience. So this is what the box is this month. The theme is Boxy and Chill, and I'm really excited about the first product I'm gonna show you, which is why I have no makeup on at all, but we get Tatcha. So when I saw that this was an option, I was like, absolutely, you guys need to put this in the box. Tatcha is amazing. I swear by Tatcha skincare, and I love all of their luminous dewy skin products, like the mist. They even have like a concentrate that's really good, and this is the luminous dewy skin mask. You get 2 masks in the box, which this alone retails for $24, and the box is 20. Oh my gosh, my hair, it's so puffy. It's seen better days. It's seen better days. Anyway, I love that they were able to put the Tatcha mask in the box. I think this is an amazing face mask. It like instantly hydrates your skin. It gives you a beautiful glow. I'm actually gonna apply one right now because that's what we do here on this channel. By the way, I got these ears at Forever 21 like a while ago, but I always get questions about them. So you wanna make sure you're applying this mask over a sink. I'm just not doing that right now because I'm filming a video. But you know the drill. Oh, it's so cold on my face. And then I just take the rest that's on my fingers and I rub them on my neck. You might as well get use of all that serum because that's expensive. And even if you have oily skin, because I know I have super dry skin, which is why I was very excited about this mask, but even if you have oily skin, it's so important to hydrate your skin and keep your skin moisturized so it doesn't overproduce the oils. Alright, so you're just supposed to apply this to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse your face and you're good to go. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so I just rinsed off my face and I freaking love that sheet mask. It is pricey, but I feel like it makes my skin so luminous and healthy feeling, and it just feels so soft and plump. Like my skin feels plump. I love it. Okay, so the next product in the box is actually a brow product. This is one of the products I didn't help choose. I believe this is one of like the last products they picked, like they finalized before the box, and I wasn't part of that. But this is from the brand Billion Dollar Brows. I've never tried this before. This is the Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm assuming it comes in one shade because it is universal, which that always makes me really nervous and skeptical, but we shall see. I like that it comes with a spoolie, that's good. And it is one of those twist ups, and it feels a little bit creamier than I'm used to, a little bit creamier than I like. I like something a little bit more waxy, but let's see. Also, it's just easier for me to put my hair in a headband right now because it's out of my face. So if you're like, why do you still have the headband on? I'm just gonna leave it on. My hair is really puffy today. Okay, so looking at my brows now that I'm finished, they look nice and feathery, and I really like this spoolie. I do feel like this formula is easy to brush out, but I do think it is a little bit too creamy for me. Like I said earlier, I just knew it. I just knew it. So when you go to apply it to your brows, that color shows up really, really fast. And even though it is easy to blend out with the spoolie, it's just a little bit too pigmented and creamy for me. I feel like I don't get as precise as I want to. You know how sometimes when you're going over the same part in your brow, it starts to build up the color really quickly and it starts to get like muddy and sticky and thick, like when you apply the brow product too much. I feel like that happens with this very, very quickly. It's just so creamy and pigmented that a lot comes off all at once. Does that make sense? I do like the undertone for my brows. It has a nice warm undertone, but I don't see how this could be like universal completely across the board because some people don't have any warmth in their hair, and I feel like this is a little bit warm. Okay, so next up we have the eyeshadow palette of the month. And I remember when I was looking over everything, I just love Tarte so much. I like the formulas of their eyeshadows, and they've had a similar palette in their box in the past. But I thought the Rainforest of the Sea palettes would be such a good idea. So it really just depends on what box you'll get. My favorite one out of the three is actually not this one. It's the pink one that has the little diamonds. Well, they're not diamonds. It's like the pink sparkly one. I love that one. That was like my top pick. If I had to pick just one for everyone to get, I was gonna pick that one, but they wanted to have a variety of 3 different Tarte palettes. So this is the one in my box, and I told them to send me a random box. I didn't wanna know what was inside. But this is the more cool toned Rainforest of the Sea palette. I feel like they are perfect for the girl on the go, like the everyday kind of girl, because this formula doesn't have any fallout whatsoever. It's like foolproof. If you've never really played around with makeup, or if you're just starting to get into makeup, these palettes are really easy and user friendly. So you know the drill. I'm gonna do a very, very simple eye, and I will be right back. I feel like my brow product is already kind of getting a little bit slippy. I feel like when they're so creamy like this, they slip and slide around a little bit. I don't really like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I just really quickly did the rest of my face makeup off camera so that I could finish up the eyes. But I put on the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I'm wearing the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my Toasted Cinnamon Blush, of course, and my Physicians Formula Naturally Nude highlight. So let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. Really quickly though, I just want to mention that I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow right here, but I'm gonna go in with it wet. I haven't used any of these eyeshadows wet, but I am gonna wet this one a little bit just to deepen up my lash line. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so that is the eye look. Again, it's a more natural palette, and all of these palettes are a little bit more natural, but I feel like these shadows last forever on my eyes, and they're really easy for beginners, and you can get a really nice, natural but bold look with these eyeshadows anyway. So I really enjoy these, especially that pink one. Delicious, my favorite. Okay, so next product in the box is this guy. I am so excited for you guys to get this. This is one of my favorite products, if not my favorite product Briogeo makes. This is the Rosarco Milk. It's their reparative leave-in conditioning spray. This is the only leave-in conditioner I use. Ever since I discovered it, it's like the only one I use. And when they told me they wanted to add a hair care product in the box this month, I was like, oh my gosh, it has to be Briogeo. They're amazing, they're my favorite. And so we went with the leave-in spray. And I like applying this to my hair when it's damp. I really rarely ever do this when it's dry like it is now, but you can still use it wet or dry. I feel like it's so moisturizing, so hydrating. It has rosehip oil, coconut oil, and argan oil in it. So it's great for those of us with really, really dry hair. I love this, and it smells really good. I would say this is my favorite thing, well, besides the thing I'm about to show you right now. But this is like my second favorite thing in the box this month. I have like 3 bottles in my bathroom right now, but I like this size to travel with, so that's exciting. And then last, but so, oh, sweet Jesus, I haven't told you the prices of anything. So this isn't a full-size product, but this bottle does retail for $12. This is full size. This is, oh, I told you the price of that one. This is also full size and this retails for $18. And then these palette retail for $36 each. Okay, like I was saying, last but not least, we have this bad boy. So when they told me they wanted to include a lip product in the box, I was like, oh my gosh, Ofra liquid lipsticks. Either Ofra liquid lipsticks or ColourPop Ultra Satin Lips. I don't know, they're both amazing. But we decided to go with the Ofra liquid lipsticks, especially since these are pricier, so it's like more exciting to get these in the box. But I believe you will either be getting a Miami Fever in your box or a Havana Nights in your box. Or you will be getting a Bite lip product as well. Obviously, I want Miami Fever and Havana Nights in the box since these are lip colors I created with Ofra and they have the best liquid lipsticks ever. But I also really, really love Bite lip products. They're so amazing. They're like naturally derived. You can pretty much eat your Bite lipsticks and you would be okay. Like everything is edible. Regardless, whatever you get, they're amazing and you will not be disappointed. I don't know if you'll be disappointed in the color, but I know for sure you will not be disappointed in the formula. So I got Miami Fever in my box, which is why I wore this shirt. You know, I love to match. So I'm just going to apply this. When you got small lips, you gotta try to fake the funk as much as you can. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I forgot to tell you the full price of this. This is full size and this retails for $20. I don't know why I needed to look at that. I knew the price of that. But that completes this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I did the math and the overall value of this month's box is $110, which is amazing because you only paid $21. But anyway, guys, I was really excited for this month because I feel like we got so many well-known and good brands. Like these liquid lipsticks are the best. I mean, Tatcha is the freaking best. Brillo Gel is the freaking best. I feel like in the box, these are my top 3 holy grail items that I feel like everyone will love and adore. These, I mean, I swear by these products so much. But anyway, leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did you like everything? Did you hate everything? Let me know. But that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.